All right, guys. So this is update on the trades we've been on for days now. GBP AUD, but the trade has just been raging. You know, it has just been raging since how many hours now? As in, we have not actually seen a very good impulsive movement. So, but I'm still expecting once it breaks out of this particular place, then I'll be sure of taking out this high. Once it breaks out of here, it's still rejecting, it's still, coming up and rejecting. But once it breaks out of the here, then I'll be sure that this high will go. And after taking this high, then this one will go. And that's going to be our TP. So I had another entry on GBP JPY today. I had another entry on GBP JPY. Just the same thing I've been trading. The same thing I've been trading, right? So I think this was part of what I analyzed. So after this impulsive move to the downside, there is still a low to be taken, which is there is this low and there is also this low to be taken. So after this impulsive move to the upside, I now use my fib to fib from the high to the low and marking my 50%. So once markets pass the 50%, I'll go down to my 4 hours and watch out for my confirmation entry um, for a sell. So and that's exactly what happened. Market has traded into 50% here and gave me a double top kind of. And then that double top created um, a single candle order block, a three single candle order block. So in this type, this first leg now is taller than the second one. So um, which is a sign of something like this, you know. So I'm expecting something like this, which is lower high, lower low, lower high. So on a normal, if the uptrend is supposed to continue, it's supposed to like break this with a body. So we'll have higher high, higher low, higher high. But then instead, he created a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So he created a lower high instead of a higher high. So that is my confirmation. So and also he created a single candle order block. As you can see, this is exactly what I talk about. Three candles, three candles. The middle one will sweep the one by the left, and the one by the right will close below the middle one with the body. As you can see, that's exactly what I entered. The middle one will sweep this one with with a wick, and then this one will close below the middle one with the body. So that middle one is our OB. So and markets has tapped into it, and we are currently in I think about $11 or so, $9. Currently running in $9. So I'm still going to hold this trade. And my TP is going to be this low. Like it's coming to take out this low. It's coming to take out this low. So let me delete this fib. It's coming to take out this low. And if you use your um yeah, what is it called again? Your trend line, you're going to see that this is in form of we have first touch and second touch. So kind of a trend line. And when this happens, market is going to like break out of the trend line and take the trend line. So it's supposed to like from here to take out the trend line, which is about 10 naira. I doubt whether I'm going to hold up to that. My TP is this particular low. I think it's about 5 RR or so. Yeah, about 5 RR. That's my TP. So I'll be okay with 5 RR. And if my GPAUD hits TP and this one hits TP, then our withdrawal with fundedness will be certain. Be able to make withdrawal. So GPAUD is currently running on $101, while GBPAUD is running on $101, while GBPJPY is running on $8 right now. So let's see how it goes. I don't have any. Okay. The Chef JPY analyze also. I haven't taken anything. I'm waiting for confirmation actually because the setup is a little bit confusing. It didn't tap into this particular H4 um, week or other block. But if you go to daily time frame, you see that it taps into daily time frame. But I feel like it might still come down to to touch that particular one. This is the other block, not the same structure in H4. So, and had it been it retraced into like up to like half of this OB, I'll be comfortable. I'm not comfortable taking the sell from there. I've cancelled my order. So what I'm waiting for is if after okay, here is an inducement. Okay, here's an inducement. Now, if after taking this inducement now and market give me a confirmation like form an SEOB somewhere around here, I'll take this trade, to take out this particular high. Or if it comes here, let's say if it comes here and give me a single candle on that block, I'll take. Though the trade is looking somehow beautiful, but then I'm not really comfortable because of this particular unmitigated wick below here. So I feel like the market might still like come down and you know maybe sweep this low instead of breaking it, sweep it and tag into this particular place, and then create something like this also, and so we can find an entry. So for now, I'm not really certain about. That's why I cancel my order. So it's part of my rule. Uh, don't enter a trade if the setup is not clear. My rule number 4: don't enter a trade if the setup is not clear. So the setup is not clear to me. That's why I had to cancel my order and wait for confirmation. So the distance is more. If I'm able to find a confirmation entry, I will take that trade to take out the high, which will be over 8 RR if I find my confirmation. So for now, okay, Euro NZD. Euro NZD is also, also doing what I don't like. I don't know why it hasn't come yet to mitigate this particular OB, which is very, very clear. I don't know why, but I'm still holding. I still have my open this thing here. So probably might still come and take out and mitigate this particular OB because there's an imbalance. It's swept the liquidity. It has an inducement. So I think he might still come and mitigate it. So my order is still open there for now. Then GBP NZD did not trigger us as well, and it's almost at TP. Did not trigger us, but I feel it's still going to come back too. But for now, that's it. Then Euro AUD. Euro AUD hasn't given me a confirmation I needed. It didn't form a single candle that block. That's why I'm not going to take the trade. Not going to take the trade because it didn't form a single candle that block. But then I think if you go to 1 hour, the setup is very clear. But my rule is that I take my trades in H4. So that's why I am not going to take this particular trade. So I'm still going to come down to lower time frames, but not now. Here, at least when I start making serious withdrawals, when my hand don't strong well, then I'll be able to consider going to lower time frames. And trust me, it's going to be very, very profitable by then because my mindset, everything is going to be certain by then. Now, after the impulsive move, you mark from just the same analysis I do on H4, nothing different. So the market took an inducement by taking out this particular low. mm, Then, after the push to the upside, market formed, this is 50%. So we mark 50%. Then market created an inducement, which is this. Here will be considered as an inducement. And the last supply is this particular OB now that break above here with a body and close here with a wick. So the wick of it is actually our entry, just the wick. And that's exactly what market mitigated. But I don't trade. I saw this, but I don't trade 1 hour, so that's why I avoided it. But it's a very sweet entry, though. It's a very very sweet entry. So let's say I give it this kind of space and um, targets the high. So this is about 6.7. Very very easy, easy TP about 6.7. So though that is it, our GBP is already on break even. So whatever happens, I'm not losing any money on GBP. Okay, so probably GPAUD might still come down. This is 1 hour though, but it might still come down to here to mitigate here before going up again. Maybe something like this, mitigate here, and then boom, it will go up. So that's what I'm expecting. Then in 4 hours, this is what it looks like. So for now, I'm still holding. I'm already on break even here, so I'm not expecting it to come back. But even if it comes back, I'm not going to lose any money. So the one that I'm not on break even yet is GJ. I'm not on break even on GJ, but GJ looks good for now. It's still going. So that is it, guys. So just follow me, subscribe, so that I'll keep posting content like this, content that doesn't have no editing. I will just record it and post it without editing anything. We are not going to hide anything. With our wins, our losses, everything, withdrawals, our growth, we are going to observe it and be with us till the end, till the very end. So, all right, guys, please follow me. Let's get to 20 followers for now. I appreciate you guys. We are currently at 12 followers. I appreciate you guys. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.